was a bit of water here. She's flowing across the road. Yo. Oh, middle cars are going to right. I'll go left. See a little bit of a splashy splash, guys. And mind you, I'm only doing 20 kilometers an hour. Not even that.
My friend's like, how are you guys getting there? And I'm like,
in a canoe.
yeah, we just hired a boat. We're just casually swimming in the rain.
And
Fairly natural. It's always good to
wow,
keep it.
it's like full on there.
Oh, it's closed over that side.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, I need to like adjust it.
They closed that side of the road, so we're on the high side, so that's good.
Yeah. It's probably going to become two lanes here, one going straight, one going that way.
Yeah, they'll pull it all to one side.
Yeah.
They'll probably have this side going, and then they'll cut it over to that side. That's a stormwater drain. So that's just that's localised rain. That's not from the Ross River. You see, at the moment we are.
My camera's like
1.2 metres above where your mum is.
Yeah.
I'm okay with it. These people have already put everything up here.
Yeah.
I'll probably have to go around the block.
Probably.
I will have to go around the block.
Wish Mum wouldn't be so stubborn and actually go with us. I get why, because we really treasure that house. It's the only house that we have left.
Oh God, I think she's making a bad decision.
We just have to put her.
It's her decision, and I've got to let it be. It's a bit hard, but
yeah, I'm putting my faith in her at the moment.
yes, I think we all are, including Kylie.
Sometimes I wish you'd just listen.
This is all higher than Mount Louisa.
Yeah.
This is what I was trying to explain. Like
Except for the hills.
yeah. Well, I've got the topograph maps, and it shows it's 1.2 meters higher than Mount Louisa. That's why there's no evacuation centres over Mount Louisa.
I put the phones together so then it's like basically.
Oh, you get both sides.
Yeah. Hey.
Rude. Photo bombing.
Screw you.
Okay, well, we got a little bit of water up here. Just in the gutter.
Not too bad.
And that's
I like your phone.
That's
Your
one of the
phone's really
evacuation centres to your right.
Okay. It says, I can't read what it says though. Excuse me, water.
Everyone's panicking, I think, at the last minute.
Yeah. I could see why.
Holly and I decided that we would get everything done last night.
Yeah. Because no one really expected it.
Get some water up on the garden.
Had some water.
I've got a nice little driveway that's flowing.
Yeah. I'm worried about Nan though. She's lower than fucking Mount Louisa.
Yeah, she's lower in Mount Louisa than when she's here.